beautiful summer's day.
I'm going for a swim.
Like all seals, Honk loved to swim. The only trouble was, he lived such a long way from the sea that by the time he got there, it was dark.
No!
Oh no! Honk lived even further away from the river, so by the time he got there, it was winter. Oh no! He just couldn't think what to do. Oh, Grizzle? If I got the answer, Honk, what you need? Gosh! A swimming pool! How do I make one of those then, Grizzle?
Easy peasy.
All you need is a boat round. Brilliant! I'll go and buy one straight away. Hurried off to town to buy a hole. Yahoo! Have you heard the one about the 3 eggs, Quack? No jerk. Too bad. Morning, Honk. Morning, Quack. Good morning, Chirp. Can't stop. I've got to buy a hole. For a swimming pool. Good morning, I'd like to buy a hole, please. Okay, a swim.
They do not pay me enough to deal with this play.
Hello!